Yeah, can we go that way?
An Aspen bus exploded. Got it.
Okay, can I please just get over there?
No, you can walk with me over there.
Okay.
It's amazing. I mean, like, the lady won't, the person over there said we can't.
Oh, she doesn't want to come down.
And I wanted to see, and I wanted to get a fire shot.
I'll show you how we can get down there if you walk with me.
How?
There's a stair right here.
Follow me, follow me.
Okay.
I'm in Aspen and a bus exploded
Quicker!
in Highlands. It's amazing.
Fire out there.
It's
Where?
a bus exploded.
What kind of fire?
A bus exploded.
No way.
Yeah, a bus exploded. Go. Oh yes, this way. We're gonna get a good shot.
Obey this officer, focus protection.
Hey buddy, where you going? Back behind you,
Behind you?
My dad. What?
You look like my Christmas.